everyone. It's great to see you all. Thanks so much for coming today. Great. Hope you all had a lovely Christmas and they all went okay, at least as well as can be expected. Let's start off by some clapping, because clapping naturally stimulates the acupressure points on the hands, which is really good for our health and well-being. So let's do some clapping. Ha, ha, ho, ho, ho. 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 Ha, ha, ho, ho. Great. And you know how Father Christmas usually goes ho, ho, ho? Let's do some ho, ho, ho laughter, okay? Breathe in and well done. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! Now, the reason we do this is because it connects us in with our childlike sense of playfulness and fun. And we're all children at heart. So this is why it's so nice to do it, to remind ourselves, because so much of the time we have to be so serious and grown up. Who wants to be grown up all the time? And actually, it's much more fun to be a child. Okay, or to be childish. Right, okay, so now we're going to do some namaste laughter, because this laughter yoga originated in India with Dr. Katari, with just 5 people in a Mumbai park. So let's do some namaste laughter to honor the origins of laughter yoga. Namaste. 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 Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Excellent, guys. Okay, have a handshake laughter. That's nice and easy. Nice to meet you. And let's say nice to meet you in gibberish, okay? Gibberish. So that's where we just go. I alternate hands too. Left hand handshake, right hand handshake. Excellent. And now a few breathing exercises. So we breathe in. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And then breathe in the belly if possible. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Very good, very good. Yay! Excellent. So now we're going to do a little bit of brain gym today. So, you know, maybe we've eaten so many Christmas pies and so much lovely Christmas food if we celebrated Christmas, that now we need to get the brain working through all that sugar. Okay, so we're going to do, it's very simple. So all we do is you just hold your left hand, with your left hand you hold your nose and you hold your ear, okay, and then you swap, and then we'll speed it up. Okay, so we go like this. And you can laugh. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Okay, great. So the next brain gym that we're going to do, brain gym exercise, is what you do is you poke your tongue out. So put your tongue out to the one way, say to the right, and I close the right eye and look over to the left with my left eye open, okay? And then I swap, so we go. Yay! Yeah, ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, 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 yay! Right, so now at Christmas time, you might have noticed, you know, there's some people you get on with really easily and some people who you don't. And even if you just saw them on Zoom, you know, somehow it's like that. Let's pretend that we're one of the kids. And one of the kids is not getting on with another kid. And so what they're doing is they're telling them off. So let's do telling off laughter as if we were children at Christmas. Okay, ready, go. Oh. Let's be the mother coming in and telling the kids off. Oh, maybe the kids have gone and eaten all the Christmas pudding in advance and eaten all the food and thrown it all around the house. Let's tell them off. So we're the angry mother or father. Very good, very good. And now let's imagine, say that we are, doesn't matter, you could be one of the kids or you could be one of the parents, and we've realized that we made a big mistake because we're telling off the wrong people. Oops, we made the mistake. So we're going to apologize. So in the E's, this is how they do apology laughter. They do this. Oh. And then in the West, as you know, we go, oh, sorry, sorry, it was me. In the East, they might also do this as well, where you point to yourself and you go, oh, I'm sorry, it was my fault. Okay, very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Let's pat ourselves on the back. And you know what? We can also say to ourselves, you know, I learn from my mistakes and I learn from from others' mistakes. Okay, so we're going to laugh, do that. So I learned from my mistakes. And I learned from others' mistakes. I have a particularly loud laugh at this one because this is what I do all the time. I learn from my mistakes. And I learn from others' mistakes. And try not to copy them. Though inevitably we often do. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! And that's the nice thing about laughter yoga, is that we can laugh at things which are ordinarily a bit depressing or a bit anxiety producing or inducing or annoying or whatever, irritating. We can just laugh instead. And you know, sometimes, you know, if we feel like, oh my gosh, I want to be really angry or I just want to cry, instead try laughter and you will let out the emotion that way. And it, actually at the same time, you'll relax, you'll loosen up your body and your mind, and you'll release some fantastic dopamine and serotonin, some lovely brain chemicals which will relax your brain and your body and help you to feel so much better. So it's actually a really, really great thing to practice regularly. And you know what? Maybe you could even think about doing a 40-day laughter yoga practice. So every day you just laugh for 1 minute, and that's all you have to do, 1 minute for 40 days. But by the end of 40 days, it will be integrated into your life, and you will have actually changed the neural pathways in your brain. And that is incredible, and it becomes part of your life. Then just becomes part of, you're just a laughing person. So it's really fantastic. So I suggest you have a think about doing the 40-day challenge. Okay, so now we're going to do the go with the flow laughter. So this is going with the flow. We go with the flow, you know. Sometimes life takes us this way, sometimes that way, but we go back on course naturally. And sometimes people might want us to do this, okay, and then want us to do that, okay. But you know what? If we stay steady in our center, we will always go forwards with the direction that life pushes us in naturally, which is generally going to be the right thing for us. So here's go with the flow laughter. Let's go with the flow and see where life takes us, and trust in life. Trusting that all will be well. It's when we resist things in our lives that it causes the suffering. So when we accept and go with the flow, then things are usually easier. And trust that we are learning as we go along. Every challenge and every experience is giving us a chance to learn and grow. Great. And then one thing that can be quite nice at Christmas time when we're having to meet up with people and so on, and we have just met up with people, is to remember how connected we all are to each other. So let's put our hand over our hearts, and then we say, I belong to everyone, and everyone belongs to me. I belong to everyone, and everyone belongs to me. I belong to everyone, and everyone belongs to me. We're all connected. Very good, very good. Yay! Very good, very good. Yay! Okay, we're going to do a nice relaxing breathing exercise. So we bring the hands up in inverted namaste. Breathe in, bring them round behind your head, and then breathe out, and then laugh out. Okay, again, this oxygenates, brings oxygen to the upper part of the lungs. Breathe in and laugh. Excellent. And now we're going to do namaste, and we're going to exercise the middle part of the lungs, the middle lobes. Breathe in and out. Really good. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Excellent. Very good. And now the lower part of the lungs, the lobes, let's do this. So we breathe in, and it's called lion laughter from yoga. Again. Very good. Okay, let's clap ourselves. Very good. Very good. Yay! Very good. Very good. Yay! Let's pat ourselves on the back for actually showing up for this laughter club session. Well done. As you know, you can drop in any time. You can stay for as long as you want, or as short as you want. It's absolutely fine. Completely over to you. Or you can just watch this. Well done. Okay. Bye for now. See you next week. Bye.